Hello, I'm Tomasz from the I-Pi team. In today's episode, I will introduce to you getting started and connecting I-Pi SMARC RB5 kit, which is based on Qualcomm RB5 platform. So this is the kit which is next to me, and you will also need to prepare 5 things: monitor, HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, USB keyboard, USB mouse. So let's get started. With wireless USB keyboard and mouse, LAN cable, HDMI monitor, and at the end, power cable. So the boot up will take a while. Let me type the password 8link123 and let's sign in. The kit is pre-installed with Ubuntu. So as you can see, the setup process is pretty straightforward and it takes only a couple of minutes. You can find more details on Docs Plus pages, where we explained all steps in detail. And please follow us up, subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you in our next episode. Thank you.